The bird grasshopper has made it through the whole night, staying still to avoid the attention of the spiders and other nocturnal predators. But come morning, while the humid air slowly reabsorbs the dew on their body, stillness stops being an advantage and instead becomes an invitation for the diurnal, long, thin grass mantis, who slowly creeps toward the grasshopper over about an hour's time. Finally, when close enough, the mantis reaches out with its long, sharp arms and captures the grasshopper, cradling it in an indomitable embrace and working its way across its legs to the grasshopper's body, looking for a weakness in its substantial armor. Now, over a period of about 2 more hours, the mantis will breakfast on the grasshopper, consuming every bit, down to its last claw.